the low-cost and low-risk solution to cryptocurrency profits. Learn the one simple underground method derived from sophisticated patterns created by Russian traders to profit immensely from any cryptocurrency, regardless of what's going on in the market. Just watch this special presentation and you'll learn about this low-cost and almost risk-free method that is bringing students tremendous results. What is the Cryptocurrency Codex? This is the only system endorsed by the Cryptocurrency Institute that provides a simple step-by-step solution for any trader or investor to exploit market inefficiencies for an almost guaranteed profit. It is a comprehensive all-inclusive mentorship package that will hold you by the hand to quickly and systematically guide you to making money without the need for hours of research and years of experience. 585% profit in 31 days. 156% profit in 8 days. 1,245% profit in 6 weeks. 3,477% profit in just over 3 weeks. 4,734% profit in 4 months. Click the link below in video description to learn more.